Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make one of the most loved dishes worldwide known as butter chicken or murg makhani. So let's get started cooking this iconic dish, and as always let me take you through the ingredients. 1 kg boneless chicken cut into bite-sized pieces, 300 ml of single cream, 1 cup yogurt, 1 can of large tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a lemon, whole red chilies, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon dry coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek. We will use a bit of oil as well, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. In a bowl, combine the chicken with 1 cup of yogurt, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. We now need to add a squeeze of lemon. Now mix it well so each piece is coated properly. This step of marination is very important. It will make the chicken tender and very flavorful. It needs to rest for 30 minutes. So once the chicken is marinated, it's time to cook it and heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the chicken pieces in batches. Please make sure not to overcrowd the pan. We need to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes each side until they are lightly brown. Don't worry about cooking it completely, as it will finish cooking in the gravy later. We just need to dry fry them until they change into golden color. Turn them over to check their color as you're cooking them. We need to wait until the water dries and the chicken is cooked and light brown. Now let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And cover it with the lid and wait until the water dries. So on the side, we can start making the gravy base for this chicken. Add some olive oil. And saute it with ginger garlic paste. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Let them sizzle and release their aroma. And after that, add the whole red chilies and further saute them for 30 seconds. Let all of these spices fry in with the oil on medium heat for 30 seconds so they don't get burnt. Once you start smelling the aroma, add a cup of yogurt cook for further 5 minutes. This will make a creamy base for the gravy. A little splash of water so it doesn't stick to the pan. Pour the tomato puree and cook it for further 10 minutes, stirring it occasionally on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir it further, cover the pan with the lid and let it cook for further 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can check on the chicken cubes. They're being cooked, brown, and ready to add in the gravy. The tomatoes have reduced and thickened, and you will notice the color has darkened and oil has started to separate. It's the time when we check on the chicken, slightly brown and ready to be added. We're adding the chicken in the tomato base. Gravy is cooked and the chicken is cooked as well, but it needs 5 to 10 minutes more to absorb the aroma and the flavor. We will further add 4 to 5 pods of cardamom. This brings a very rich flavor to the gravy. So I'm going to add some butter here to release the flavor from the pan. And we're going to add the butter inside the cooking gravy so all the flavors are mixed with it. To add the creamy texture to the gravy, we're going to add 300 ml of single cream to the gravy. So for the final touches, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. And we're also going to add some dried fenugreek. We have to crush them between the palms to release the flavor. And sprinkle it all over. And mix it. So I have tasted it a bit and I think we need a little bit of more sugar in it. It's about 1 teaspoon more, so it's got sugar in it in total. Stir it well and let it rest for 4 to 5 minutes. So we have let it cook for 5 minutes and now we are ready to serve. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked the recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.